Hey, what's up everyone? How's it going? The new iOS 18 Public Beta 6 update is just around the corner. In fact, by the time you're watching this, it might already be available on your device. In this video, we're diving into what's new in iOS 18 Public Beta 6 and giving you a heads up on the upcoming iOS 18.1 update. Apple has also officially announced its next big event, happening on September 9th at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can catch it on YouTube and Apple TV. This means that the stable version of iOS 18 is on the way. If your iPhone is currently on beta and you're ready to switch to the stable version, you'll be able to download it after September 9th. So let's get into the new features coming with these updates. First up is a super cool feature in the Photos app, an eye-based object eraser. You can easily remove unwanted objects from your photos. Just select the object and tap the cleanup button, and boom, it's gone. This AI-powered feature is expected to roll out in iOS 18.1 Beta 3, and it should be available to the public soon. Next, let's talk about Playground. This new AI-driven feature lets you create custom audio, video, and images. If you want to get creative with mixing media, this is for you. Playground will be supported on devices with the M2 chip, including the latest iPads and the upcoming iPhone 16 series. Then there's GenMoji, where you can design your own custom emojis. Just enter a prompt, and GenMoji will generate a personalized emoji that you can use in iMessages, social media, or even as your avatar. This feature is set to arrive in the iOS 18.1 update. And yes, the long-awaited call recording feature is finally coming. You'll be able to record any phone call, and once the call ends, a transcript will automatically be saved to your Notes app. This feature will be available in iOS 18.1 Beta 3, but will only work on newer iPhone models, starting with the iPhone 15 series. Unfortunately, if you're using an iPhone 14 or older, you won't have access to this feature or some of the AI enhancements. Siri is also getting a major upgrade. With Siri 2.0, or Siri Apple Intelligence, you'll see a new AI-powered animation model that's set to take Siri to the next level. Now, for the timeline of upcoming updates, iOS 18, Public Beta 6 should drop today or within the next couple of days. This will likely be the last update before iOS 18 release candidate, RC, which will be much more polished. If you've been holding off on updates, the RC version would be a good one to download. After that, as I mentioned earlier, the stable iOS 18 update will be available after September 9th, likely around September 10th. We might also see an update on September 1st, followed by the RC update on September 3rd or 4th. The official stable release is expected on September 10th, and shortly after that, the public beta of iOS 18.1 will roll out. Finally, let me know in the comments how your experience with iOS 18 public beta or developer beta has been. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Also, which upcoming features are you excited to try out? Drop your opinions in the comments below. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel, Tech Rushy, for all the latest iOS updates and reviews. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you'll be the first to know when we drop a new video. See you in the next one. Until then, take care.